probably my second favourite thing that we did with the house is installing solar. We only have a small system, it's 3 kilowatts, but we're hoping to bump it up to 4.6, fingers crossed. And it has been an absolute game changer. So we run everything during the day that we can now. Dishwasher, washing machine, dryer, all those things, aircon, run it during the day when the sun is shining and you're running it for free. Absolutely love it. So the solar panels have a smart meter in it, so that's how we're able, with their app, to be able to sort of see everything we're using.
Like you turn a particular appliance on, can we change that? Or, do I need to leave that appliance plugged in all the time? Just reorganising your day. Oh, the sun is shining, I'll put the washing machine on. It was kind of fun. It was like a challenge.
Oh yeah.
To
cheat the system.
No.